Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D modeling. Exercise number 8. First, select the new part. Then pick top plane for sketching. Now, select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle with the origin. Specify its dimension using Smart Dimensions command. Now, in Features option, select Extruded Bars. Specify the direction and dimensions for extrusion. Now, select the right plane for sketching and draw a rectangle over the plane. Specify the dimension of this rectangle using Smart Dimension command. Then, in Features, select Extruded Bars. Specify the dimension and direction of extrusion. Now, select the back face of the part and give sketch. Select a rectangle command to draw a rectangle over the top of the part. Specify the dimension of this drawn rectangle accordingly. Now, select the fillet command and draw a fillet at the corner of the sketches. Now, select the slot command and draw a slot at the center of the sketch. Specify its dimensions as referred in the manual. Now, in Features, select Extruded Bars. Specify the dimensions and direction of extrusions. Now, select the inner face of the part and give sketch. Select the circle command and draw a circle at the center of the part. Specify its dimensions as in manual. Now, select center line and draw a center line from the center of the circle. Now, select the line command and draw a line towards the left of the center circle. Now, Mirror Entities command is used to mirror this line. Specify the mirror about plane as the center line. Select the entity as a newly drawn line. Now, relation is given to the center of the circle and the center line as coincident. Specify its dimensions as referred in the manual. Now, the unwanted projections are removed using Trim Entities command. Select the fillet command to draw a fillet over the drawn sketch. Change the dimensions of the fillet as referred in the manual. After sketching, now in Features option, select Extruded Bars. Specify their dimension and direction of extrusion. Now select the bottom face of the part and give sketch. Select the circle command to draw a pair of circles. Specify its dimensions in vertical and horizontal direction from the face of the part. After dimensioning, select both the circles and give the relation equal. Now in Features, select Extruded Cut, then give the end conditioner through all. That's it, our part is completed.